everyone, how is it going? I hope everybody's doing really well. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. I hope you guys have been enjoying the weather. Let me know what you guys are doing in the comments down below while you're watching me. What you guys are eating, what are you guys listening to, what do you guys have planned for later on today? Let me know, I want to know. So today I decided to make a little tutorial of a press-on order I received. This is actually a prom order, so I will be posting on my socials whenever she sends me pictures of her beautiful dress and her nails. I'm so excited to see how it all looks together, and this set just came out beautiful, as you guys can see from the thumbnail. So I'm just going in with my Rajism 237, I believe. It's a really good nude color for darker skin tones, and just going in with 2 coats of this just to make sure I build up the opaqueness. And I already did prep my nails. I did etch the inside of the nails, file them, buff them, and applied base coat. Let me know if you guys want to see that process. So I'm going in. This is how I do my French tips. It's just easiest for me. I'm going in with the MAKARTT white gel polish, and then I'm going to just apply that on the tips to where, like, how far I want it down to go. And as you guys can see, this is a pretty good white gel. It's pretty good. Like, it has a good amount of pigment in it. Just applying it as far down as I want the French tip to be, and then I'm going to go in with my Wistonia liner brush, immerse my brush in the polish, and then just go ahead and start forming that French tip shape. So the nail set that she wanted is blue. However, I only had like blue jelly polish for whatever reason. So that's the reason I'm going in with white first, is just to build up that opaqueness. That way the blue won't be as transparent on nude. So I'm just going in with my French tip brush. This one works really well. I highly recommend these brushes. Also Nails by Dev, hella cute liner brush is really good. But yeah, the Wistonia liner brushes, short, medium, long, and then they also have the little detail brushes. You guys could find the links to all my supplies to my press-ons in my Amazon storefront. I have a nail tech supply list, and then I have a press-on nail supply list with pretty much everything that I use to make press-ons. If you guys are interested in getting started, or just want to make them for yourself, go ahead and give that a check out. I do receive a little bit of commission if you guys do, so don't feel pressured, but I definitely appreciate it. Just going in and filling out the sides, filling out those details, making sure I'm getting all of the sides, making sure I'm covering every point of the nail that needs to be covered. And I'm just taking my time with this process, especially with French tips. You want to make sure that you're just taking your time, because since the design is quote-unquote simple, you want to make sure that you are getting every little line right. But yeah, I actually really enjoyed this white gel polish, and the reason I'm using this is because I ran out of my dynamic nail supply one, but they're sold out, y'all. So I'm using this one, and it's pretty good as well. So, you know, head over and get that if you guys want. Right after I'm finished doing this, I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds, and then go in with the blue color on top. So I believe this was from the Beetles Coastal Twilight set, and it is linked down below if you guys are interested. This is just really the one of the only like darker blue colors that I had, so y'all may call it ghetto, whatever. I say you make it work. You know, like I made it work for this customer. I made do with what I had to make sure that this customer received her order, right? And that's what we want to do. We want to make sure we go above and beyond for our customers and our clients, and I definitely appreciate the fact that she ordered, and especially for her prom. It's such a big night. I personally never went to prom. I think my senior year, instead of going to prom, we went to like the county fair, and we went to Red Lobster, and then there was like a car show. It was super, super fun. Let me know about your guys' prom experiences. Did you guys go? Did y'all like it? I don't know. I kind of feel like balls and proms were kind of overrated to me. I wasn't really into them at the time. But I hope this customer has a lovely prom, and I can't wait to see her wearing these. So I'm just making sure to be very precise with where I'm placing the blue so I don't mess up that French tip line. And Maybe there's a simpler way to do this, but this is the way that my brain works sometimes. So y'all may think it's complicated, but it makes sense to me. So yeah, I'm just going in, and then you can go in with 2 coats if you would like, just to build up that pigment, but I think I just went in with 1 coat, and then I go ahead and sprinkle a white Stardust over it. And even though the Stardust is white, it will show up blue just because of the color underneath. And the Stardust also does have some blue reflex in there as well, so it kind of helped with the coloring. And then you just sprinkle that onto your wet uncured gel, throw that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and you should be good to go. You can dust any excess off with your brush. And going in right now with the MAKARTT Rhinestone glue. I've really been enjoying this. I love the packaging and the fact that it's like a tube applicator, so all you have to do is kind of like squeeze where you want it. And I feel like that's really, really helpful for me when I'm applying rhinestones. So on this finger, I'm going to be doing some acrylic flowers. As y'all see in the thumbnail, that's my jam. Like, my brush is my secret weapon, and I have that link down below as well. It's the PANA number 4, and they have even smaller brushes. They have like even a little bit bigger brushes. And I also use the PANA size 12 for my acrylic application as well. So PANA is where it's at. You know, it's affordable. It's good quality. So I'm just going in. I applied rhinestone glue where I want it, and then I'm just going in with my rhinestones, some blue and some silver, placing those where I want them to be. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and throw it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And she did send me an inspo picture, but these are just shorter. So the inspo picture is pretty much exactly like this, and I'll place it somewhere right here as well. But you know, obviously if the nails are going to be shorter than the length of the inspo picture, it is going to look a little different, but I still think I did a pretty accurate job. But yeah, just keep that in mind when you're doing press-ons, ordering press-ons, that if you send over an inspo picture and the nail length is like double XL, it's not really going to look the same on a medium size nail or short nail. But you know, I think we kind of I still nailed the idea. So yeah, I'll just be placing that somewhere. So I'm going in with my Speed White from Young Nails and just placing those little beads where I want them to be, kind of letting them set a little bit before I start to go in with the brush and work on them. And then with my pointed petals, I like to drag it down a little bit rather than just keep it a circle. So as you can see, I'm kind of like dragging it to a pointed tip so I can get the, you know, the pointed angle. And then just giving those other beads a little bit of time to set before I go in and work with them. That way I'm not just like wiping away the product, just as you do with acrylic. So, and I think acrylic flowers are so fun. I really enjoy doing them, and I'm glad that a lot of my customers order sets like this, because I honestly love doing them. I think they look like so glam and everything like that. So beautiful. So yeah, I'm just doing that. And if you guys are interested in ordering any press-ons from me, you guys can go ahead and head over to my Instagram at Glam by Emmy. That's kind of where I take most of my orders and confer with my clients. I have all the information to order as well, you know, as far as sizing goes and things like that. So I'll be including a picture of my Instagram page too, so you guys can see kind of what I'm talking about as far as like my guide goes on how to order. I tried to make the process as seamless as possible. So I'm just finishing up with this acrylic flower. I did manage to get them both to fit on this medium nail, so I was pretty proud of myself that I got them to fit. And this is the finished result. Let me know what you guys think. Would y'all wear this? Girl, I would totally wear this. I want to wear it myself. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the video. Comment down any recommendations you guys have, what you want to see next. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.